Hi gorgeous, it's Adele from Get Gorgeous. I am on my splendid Spanish retreat, Pilates Spanish retreat, and I have lovely Karen with me. I'd like to introduce you. Karen, what did you do for a living before you retired?
I was a teacher.
It's quite a high pressurised, stressful job. Did you
Yes,
do anything for yourself for self-care?
No.
It's the honest answer.
No.
So
it was work the whole time.
Really?
Yeah.
So now you've retired, are you
Yes.
starting to do?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Have you ever been on a retreat before?
Never. First time.
And how did you feel? What were you nervous about it?
Yes, a bit apprehensive. Yes.
What were you nervous about?
Well, I was going away with 12 people I didn't know.
Yeah.
I was going to be sharing a room with somebody that I didn't know, and I got to that age where you need access to the toilet a little more frequently, that kind of thing.
Well, it's privacy as well,
exactly,
isn't it?
Exactly. And I didn't want to disturb people and make them feel uncomfortable. So yes, I was nervous.
Yeah.
Apprehensive.
And how did you? How has the group dynamic been?
Here,
Yes.
brilliant. It's been amazing. It's been amazing. From being apprehensive, and I think the first kind of gathering that we had at the end of the day, when everyone sort of talked and introduced each other, and I think it was one of the ladies said about being vulnerable.
Yes.
And
Andrea started it like that, didn't she?
She did, and it just broke down all the barriers, and I suddenly felt really comfortable, and everybody's been so lovely.
So how do you feel about the retreat now? Would you go on another one?
Yeah. When's the next?
Oh, brilliant. So we've been talking about the investment because a lot of women find it really hard to invest in themselves. Did you pay for yourself?
Yes.
And how did that feel?
Well, I can't lie, it was I had a major consideration, because yes, it was quite a lot to sort of lay out, but what was nice is I could save up a bit, and I paid it ages ago, which was lovely, so I then didn't have to worry about it.
Okay.
But
good.
it's been so, I mean, I thought it would be worth it, but it's been 200% more than I expected.
200%.
I know, I realise that doesn't exist, but
no, but it's, and you're a teacher. Well, there you go.
exactly.
So, what sort of experience have you enjoyed? Has it been the meditation? Has it been the group dynamics? Has it been the time out for yourself?
I've loved the meditation. That was one of the things I was hoping I was going to gain by coming here.
Did you meditate before?
No.
Ah.
No. And one of the things I was hoping it would
Got a
give
little
me.
visitor.
Oh, hello.
That's the pet cat.
The pet cat. Just come and say hello. Hello, everybody. Goodbye. So meditation. I'm not very good at being still.
Yes, you're really, really active, aren't you?
Yes, I'm very busy. I fill my time quite a lot.
Could you take the cat for us, Sandra?
I'm really sorry. This cat's going to
Thank
be a bit of a
you.
nuisance. Yes. So no, I didn't meditate. I didn't do that, and I used to feel guilty about being still.
Really?
Yes.
And how
Yes.
do you feel about being still now?
I just feel better. I really feel so much better about it. I don't feel guilty about it. I don't feel it's being selfish.
Wow.
I think it's just it's a very restorative time.
Good.
And I feel that I've just dipped my toe into the water.
Wow.
But it is something I'm going to explore more with Maggie's help.
Fantastic.
And yours too.
That's absolutely brilliant. So what would you say to anybody who was nervous about coming on a retreat, as you were? What would you say to yourself?
Just don't be. Everybody here has been amazing. They are just a bunch of wonderful women who have got so much to offer.
And gentlemen.
And gentlemen. Oh, yeah. Sorry, Dave. Yeah, and gentlemen. Just wonderful women and men who have got so much to offer.
Yeah. Did you know anybody before you came?
No. I mean, I'd seen them in class,
Yeah.
but not to talk to, and I feel like I have made 12 good friends.
Amazing. Well, we'll leave it there. Thank you so much, Karen.
My pleasure.